Making good progress past kind of the steep spots and the muddy spots. Kind of slipped and slid a little bit, but fresh snow like this, you know, gives some traction, not a lot. So far it's smooth sailing. Got into a little bit of mud, played around, but I'm past the steeper parts. Now heading down back farther into the valley, back into the trees. A couple smaller little hill climbs, but shouldn't be any worries now. Just enjoying the first of the snowfall. Wind's picking up a little bit. A little colder right here in this spot. Doesn't look like it's gonna let up anytime soon, so I'm just gonna keep on heading down the valley.